Welcome back to the Stovetop. In our home, Mountain Dew Baja Blast is one of our favorite soft drinks. It's available year-round at Taco Bell, and every summer Mountain Dew releases it in can and bottle form for everybody to be able to purchase at a store. This summer, they released two different flavors of Mountain Dew that seem to be based off the Baja theme. Mountain Dew Baja Passionfruit Punch and Mountain Dew Baja Caribbean Splash. Pew Pew Park has already done a review of the Passion Fruit Punch. I'll include a link to that video at the end of this one. And that inspired us to do our own taste test. So in this video, we're going to try out for the first time both of these standalone, and then we're going to mix it with some vodka and see how well it does in a cocktail. So I'm not going to go over all the nutritional information, but I would like to state that in a 20-ounce bottle, regular Mountain Dew has 290 calories, whereas the other three are only 280 calories. Also, these might not come back next year, or they might not come back for a few years, or they might not come back ever. Mountain Dew seems to have these specialty versions that come and go. So it's kind of the end of the season, and if you were looking for this, you may or may not be able to find it at your store. Right now, at most of the stores in our area, both of these are still available. First, we're going to try out Mountain Dew Baja Caribbean Splash. Now, before I open it, something is kind of bugging me about the name. Baja is on the west side of Mexico, and the Caribbean is east of Mexico. So, I don't know if they thought about that when they named it, but regardless, it's supposed to have natural and artificial guava flavors. I'll go ahead and open up its chilled bottle. It's just red in color with a red Mountain Dew label, red cap. I'll just pour a little bit in these rocks glasses. It's kind of got a pink color to it in the glasses. All right, let's go ahead and try it out.
Smells fruity.
Yeah, it does. Are you getting the guava? It smells.
Yeah, I am. I like it.
Do you think it tastes more artificial, or because I don't know. For me, this kind of has an artificial taste to it.
I like it. It's fruity.
Okay, I think it smells better than it tastes. And now the Mountain Dew Baja Passion Fruit Punch. It's purple in color, got a purple label and a yellow cap. It's supposed to have natural and artificial passion fruit flavors. I'll pour a little bit in each of these glasses. All right. That smells
Grapey.
yeah. Is that passion fruit?
Mmm. I like this one better. It's got more of a fizz to it.
Hmm. I don't know. This one kind of has a little bit of an artificial flavor to it as well, but I'd say this tastes more like Baja Blast than the other one.
Oh, I thought the other one tasted more like Baja Blast.
Well, there you go. You're getting two different opinions. All right, now on to the cocktail portion of the taste test. We're going to add a ½ ounce of Tito's vodka to each, and then fill each of the rocks glasses about halfway with Mountain Dew. And my director is going to be having it with ice, and I am not. So I'll just be relying on the chilled soft drink to kind of cool off my drink some. About right there.
A little bit more.
A little bit more. Right there.
That should be good. Yep.
Okay.
About 3/4 full.
I'm gonna go about that far since I don't have any ice.
Okay.
Right there?
Yep. See how fizzy that is? The other is not as fizzy.
Oh, yeah.
You need to stir it with a spoon.
If any of you out there do YouTube videos, you might want to second guess having a director. Thank you.
Now you just mix the two. You're supposed to rinse it off in between. Kind of late now. Finish up.
See what I gotta deal with. All right, so they're cross-contaminated. Bottoms up. I don't smell the vodka over it.
Mm-mm.
I can taste it a little bit in there, but yeah, that doesn't do anything for me.
No, I feel that this pop is flat. Where's the fizz? There is no fizz in there.
I mean, I bought these at the same time, so...
I mean, I like it, don't get me wrong, but there's no fizz to it. I like a little fizz in my pop.
All right, and then we're going to cleanse the palate with barbecue pork rinds.
Okay. Okay.
All right, and now for the passion fruit punch. I don't smell any alcohol.
Mm-mm.
And I don't really taste it in this either.
I don't either, but this one I think would definitely be dangerous.
Because you don't taste it?
Yeah.
You wouldn't know?
Yeah.
Yeah. So out of the two, we're both going to recommend the passion fruit punch for a mixer. Otherwise, though, they're not bad. The Baja Caribbean, those two words just don't go well together. Baja Caribbean Splash. Yeah, maybe it was just the bottle we got, but it could be just a little bit flatter for everybody. I don't know. Otherwise, though, it was just kind of a fun thing to do, and hopefully the passion fruit punch is back next summer. Thanks for watching.